Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am collaborating with a company called Beau Accessories. I will leave their details down below in the description box. They kindly sent me this outfit along with some earrings. So I'm going to show you a very easy makeup look to go with this outfit. Something that I think is going to be really easy to follow, and I'm sure you guys will be able to recreate, and I would love to see pictures. If you do recreate, you can DM me on Instagram. I just think makeup looks don't have to be complicated, especially if you're short for time or if you're working on a budget and you don't want to use too much of your makeup up. This will be the perfect look for someone who's in a rush or has limited products. Just to mention that I started filming this after the school drop, which means I already did my skincare in the morning and I've also got a tiny bit of foundation on, so I'm just going to create the look on top of what I've already got on. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Warm Nude Foundation. This is meant to be a matte foundation from what I know, but I would definitely say on me it's more of a dewy finish. But I really like how natural it looks and it's very lightweight. So guys, I'm using a Real Techniques foundation brush to distribute the foundation in all the places that I want it on my face, and then I am going to blend it out with a beauty blender. And the one that I'm using is from the original Beauty Blender company. It is the black one, as you can see, and this one absorbs less foundation. So now I'm going to apply some concealer, and this is my favourite concealer from Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's absolutely full coverage, very flawless, and this is the shade Vanilla. They really have a good shade range, so I'm going to apply some on my lids as well, and also just on the brow bone area, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend this in with the beauty blender. So personally, I like to use my beauty blender semi-damp, so it's not dry but it's not too wet, so just kind of in the middle, and I feel that this, especially again under the under eyes, gives a really flawless finish. So I'm just going to blend the lid area and also the brow bone area just to create a really nice blank canvas. So next I'm going to use the Hoola Caramel Bronzer from Benefit. Guys, I absolutely love this bronzer. It's the perfect shade for me. Sometimes I feel like bronzers can actually make my face look quite dull, but with this caramel shade, I absolutely love the way it looks on my skin. So I'm just going to apply it around the cheek area, underneath my jawline, forehead, and then down the nose. Also guys, I'm not going to be using this on my eyes in this video, but I generally do use this on my eyes as well, and it looks amazing. It gives such a natural finish, and I would recommend this if you like your bronzy looks. So I'm kind of giving my face a contouring effect with this, and there's no rules in makeup, so you can definitely contour with a bronzer, but it just gives more of a natural finish. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do is apply a blusher. This is a MAC blusher and it's called Trace Gold. The good thing about this blusher is that it is a really nice bronzy colour and it already has a highlighter built in it. So if you don't have a separate highlighter, or you are not confident or you struggle to use highlighter, then you can just stop at your blusher and you will actually get some highlight on your cheeks, which looks really nice and natural. So if you don't have highlighter at home, don't worry too much. Next I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder, and I'm going to be pressing it into the skin as opposed to baking. So this way I'm going to be using less product, and it's actually a quicker way just to set your makeup. I'm going to be doing it very lightly, as you can see. I will leave it on my skin for probably say 10 minutes, and then I will dust it off afterwards, but it's not my usual heavy baking that I do, so this is good if you don't want to use too much product or you want that very lightweight look. Be using the NARS Loaded palette, and I'm going to be using the darker gold, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid using a Real Techniques brush. So I'm literally doing a wash of colour and just applying it on the lid area. And then I'm just going to use a blending brush and just blend away any sharp edges around the socket area. And then I'm going to add the lighter gold shade, and I'm going to apply it directly on top of the darker gold, just concentrating more on the middle of the lid. So next I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and this is from the Artist of Makeup collection. So this is like a pen style eyeliner. So I am quite confident with applying my eyeliner, but if you are a beginner, a pen eyeliner is ideal, as I feel like it gives you more control, a lot more control over liquid eyeliner. So guys, when I normally do my eyeliner, I am standing quite close to a mirror and I can do it super quick. But when I'm doing it in front of camera, I feel like I take a long time, and it's just because I'm not used to doing it like this. But I'm trying my best to get that flick nice and sharp, but this pen is making it super easy for me. So I'm just going to continue until I feel like it looks right. And remember, with eyeliner it always looks more dramatic until you apply your lashes. So once I put my falsies on, then this eyeliner will look so much better. If you are not wearing false lashes, then you could always make your eyeliner a little bit more natural, and once you apply your mascara it will look great. So I'm just going to do the inner corners, and then I am going to apply my lashes, and my lashes are from a company called Queen Lashes. I will leave the exact name of these particular lashes somewhere in the description box, and if you like them you can go and check them out. So guys, next I am going to go back to my powder, and I'm just going to gently dust it away, but at the same time I'm going to be pressing some of the powder into my foundation just to make my foundation last longer. As you can see, I'm just doing really light patting motions, and this just helps set the foundation. So next I'm just going to lightly coat my own lashes. I'm kind of merged them with my false lashes, and whilst I'm watching the footage I'm trying to remember which mascara I used. And actually guys, I think this was from MAC Cosmetics, and it was just a sample that was sent to me when I bought some products from them. I will try and link this mascara if I can remember the exact name, but any mascara will do. Actually I really like the Maybelline Colossal mascara, but I've completely run out of that. So guys, any super drug, drugstore, Boots, high street mascara will do, so you don't have to invest in an expensive mascara. Next I'm going to be applying a lip colour. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip contour pencil in the shade Bombshell. So I'm actually going to be applying this all over my lips, so there's absolutely no need for a lipstick. And the texture of the lip pencil is amazing, so you can actually use it all over and it won't give you a dry finish. It's very, very matte, but non-drying. So I'm just gonna apply as a lip liner first, and then I'm just going to apply all over my lips for an overall colour. So next I'm going to be using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I love this highlighter. I've been using it for years, and it just gives a very soft finish to your makeup. And then I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. So this can be used to prime, to set, and to refresh your makeup. So again, you will be saving if you want to buy a product that does more than just setting your makeup. So just to recap, this will prime, set, and refresh your makeup. So here is the finished look, guys. I really like the way the makeup complements the outfit, and as you can see, it was quite easy to do. So a huge thank you to Beau Accessories for collaborating with me on this video. I absolutely love the outfit and the earrings they sent me. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and don't forget to leave me a comment. So hopefully guys, I will see you in the next video. Lots of love. See you soon.